To begin making your willow garden boxes, you're going to want to make sure that you've prepped ahead of time. Remove any grass that's close to the edges of your garden boxes and make sure that you've got a hefty supply of willow. You begin by finding some large straight poles of willow and cutting them into about an 18-inch stake. Hammer them in about 18 inches apart. Make sure you place one right on the very corner of your bed so that you can crisscross the edges. Then you strip any leaves off of the willow and start weaving. The big ones add a lot of support, so make sure that you use both big and bushy willow pieces. I also added Rendlestone and removed all the grass to give it a very whimsical look.